Tapos yung tingnan mo yung toothbrush namin. Thank you so much. Dylan Van Hilton. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sis Yokai, tingnan mo. Ano ba itong tawag dito? Gucci? Dildar, thank you, Dildar. Shout out. Nag-break na ako. Can you try to hypnotize me, please? How? How to hypnotize? Thank you so much, everyone. Dylan, I will go to your channel. Oops. No subscriber yet. Seven M, shout out.
Bago to, di ba? Panood.
Rush Hour, napanood na natin yan dati.
Ilang pati naman ako.
Satyam, hello, my love, shout out. Thank you for visiting my live, Satyam. Where are you from? From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. And shouty. And back to the kitchen. Do something. 8 a.m. Satyam. Nice, all moon are in Philippines. Am I right? All the moon are in the Philippines. Huh? What do you mean? All the moon? Can you try to hypnotize me, please? I don't know what are you talking about. Please subscribe my channel and do like friend Dildar. Friend Dildar, he always visiting also my live. Like and subscribe my channel. You looking like a moon. You are good, George. It's so hot. Thank you so much. Wait a minute. I buy some detergent for our boots to wash. Subscribe. Can you do some hair clips? Fine. I already have here. I just clip a little because after have curl, if you clip all your hair. Okay, I wanna be your best friend. Oh, thank you so much. You're from where? Satyam.